There's pink black girls in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a quick and easy sleek ponytail. So these are the needed ingredients to create this foundation of this ponytail. You're gonna need some hair glue. If you're not a hair glue person, if you know how to sew, you can sew in your ponytail as well. You're gonna need some spritz. You don't have to use this brand of spritz. You can use any spritz, or you can use the Got To Be Glue freeze bath spray. I know a lot of people have this, so you can stick to that. And because this is a no heat ponytail, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler Gel in Clear. And for my edge control, because I like this edge control, it doesn't give a white, what you call that? You know, that little nasty sticky stuff. And it's very super affordable. I use Easy Edge, and this is the argan oil one. I prefer the beeswax one, but when I went for it to restock, I didn't see the beeswax one. You're gonna need some brushes for detangling, brush to mold your hair. You're gonna need a comb and an edge brush to finish your edges, and you are going to need some black strips. So you can get this at your local beauty supply store. It's the barber strips that the barber used to put around here, or if you have a shortcut, they'll use it to mold your head. But these are the wrapping black strips. That's what they're called, wrapping black strips. They come in black and then they come in white. I use the black one because you can hide it in the ponytail. So now that I show you guys what we're gonna be using, let's get straight into the style. So before we begin the ponytail part, I'm going to take some of the rosemary mix scalp hair straightening oil and put it just right here in the middle of the crown of my head, because ponytails be giving me an ache. No matter how loose I put it, it just irritates, and this kind of gives me relief.
Self-discover. I'd rather be alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight. I just use my covers to stay warm tonight. Think I'm better off here all alone tonight. You know, checking on when I get home tonight. Just making sure I'm good on my own tonight. Even though there isn't nothing wrong tonight. Yeah, just say it, baby. I can really miss you if I'm with you. When I miss you, it'll change the way I kiss you. Baby, if no time apart is beneficial. It's like I'm the universe that you'll be in. A-S-A, get up, I'ma need space. I'ma need space. I'ma need you to understand. way I kiss you. Baby, you know time apart is beneficial. It's like I'm the universe and you be NASA. Need a girl, I'ma need space. 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 Need a girl, I'ma need space. 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 You don't wanna leave me, but I'm trying to self-discover.
everybody do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more of me and more of me doing my hair and slaying, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.